Self-love means self-care. When we are doing some work, we can praise ourselves. Every time it is not compulsory that somebody can praise me. Sometimes we can also praise ourselves. Do you think like
Yeah,
this?
I think so. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And how is the weather of your city?
It's scorching heat.
But
So
in my
boiling heat.
city, weather is very good because in my city it is raining.
Okay, wow. Nice.
Yes. So just for my viewer, can you give your brief introduction?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So, as you know, my name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura. I'm a homemaker and I run a YouTube channel as well. And if I tell you about my qualifications, then I'm graduate and I'm blessed with two kids. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. I think you know my introduction, so there is no need
Yeah,
for introduction
I
round.
know you.
Okay.
I know you. Yeah.
So today's topic is self-love.
Okay.
Are you
Nice
interested for
topic.
discussion? Then we can discuss.
Yeah, yeah. Nice topic. Self love. Yeah.
But I have observed in Indian women, they are in some families, not
Yeah.
some families, most of the middle class families, they are
Yeah.
not doing self-love. Are you agree?
Yeah, I'm totally agree. And I also do something like that. This kind of thing. Sometimes I just don't care about myself, about my feelings, emotions. Sometimes kind of turbulence is occurring in my
Hmm.
mind. I'm totally inclined to that. I'm not thinking about my body, my thoughts. I'm totally indulge in particular thing. So this should not be
Hmm.
happening. That moment, what happens? Your body suffers because you are
Yes.
not
Hmm.
inwardly you are not healing that particular thing you are
Yes.
thinking about, you are pondering about, basically. Then you are not taking care of your health, because first of all you need to become healthy inwardly. You feel good,
Hmm.
you feel blessed, you feel like I'm okay, I'm healthy, I'm very happy. Basically happiness,
Hmm.
if you are happy inside, if you are contented inside, basically, then definitely it appears in your
Hmm.
like body, right?
Hmm.
So yeah, we need to do such kind of things, self loving. We should be self loving, self caring. We should love
Yes, but
ourselves first of
in
all.
my mama time, my mother's time, they are not aware this word self-love. Are you
Yeah,
agree?
yeah, totally agree. Yeah,
But nowadays, we mostly women are aware of self-love. And I have heard this word in so many podcasts. If you are happy, then you can spread your happiness.
yeah,
But if you are not happy, you are just doing like a machine. You are doing work just like a machine.
yeah.
Okay. Yes, I have
But
observed in Indian families, like some women are not giving attention on their health also. And sometimes, they are not doing any kind of beauty treatments. They are
yeah,
just saying, okay, I have no time to going salon, parlor.
yeah,
Have you ever faced
absolutely.
this kind of situation in your life?
Not, I would say that not about my life, I would say about my mother as well. I never ever seen her applying lipstick, just only
Hmm.
bindi, sindoor, just this.
Hmm.
And if I tell you about myself, sometimes I also don't care about that, going to the salon and all. I just all the time performing the household chores. Before this, before making such videos and all, earlier I used to do such things. And if I tell you about like self care, meaning going to the salon, it's not about, I don't consider that is self care, going salon and
No,
all.
no, just
You
for,
really,
threading also. I'm not
okay, okay, yeah,
saying
okay, okay, okay.
all the beauty treatments because all
Yeah,
are
yeah.
not, comfortable with all beauty treatments.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. But self care, basically, as I consider that, to love yourself,
Hmm.
if you are right, then you need to take a stand, right?
Hmm.
And I think you think the same way, like the same way. We need to take
Hmm.
our stand. If we are right, we are correct in some particular situations, right?
Hmm.
That is called self care, and we need to take our stand. We need to
Hmm.
have that kind of potential capability to speak things in a right way as well, not just we are talking all the things in a right things we are talking, but we are not putting those things in a right way. We are kind of commenting and like taunting. This should not be the right way. The right way is,
Hmm.
if you really correct, absolutely correct, then put these things in a right way. The tone,
Mhm.
the thoughts, first of all. Yeah.
Okay, somebody is again and again taunting you. Okay, so what will be your reaction? Will you want to fight or you will stop? Like
Yeah.
chit chat, you will stop chit chat. What will be
Yeah.
your
First,
response?
first of all, I would like to avoid that situation, ignore. Basically, if the person is trying to point out, let's say my behavior and all, or they are, they have caught some of my things,
Mm-hmm.
to their perspective, they think that I am wrong. But we have all have own perspective, right? And
Mm-hmm.
in our mind, we think that we are right. We are right. Okay. If somebody point out me, then definitely I will prefer avoid the situation. And
Mm-hmm.
if it is
Mm-hmm.
not, if it is possible, then okay, I will be avoiding. But if it is needed, then definitely I will say things. I will
Mm-hmm.
stand my
Mm-hmm.
I will take my stand. Okay, I will take my stand basically,
Yes,
and put the things in a right way. But yeah, there are some people, they just don't understand. All they already have their own kind of thoughts,
perception. Okay.
mentality,
Yes.
mentality
Mm-hmm.
they are having. So they already have assumed us in a wrong way. They have
Mm-hmm.
positioned, let's say they have positioned myself in a wrong place. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
wrong place, yeah, basically. So that moment I cannot do, I can't help that moment. So
Mm-hmm.
that's their way of thinking and it's my way of thinking. Definitely I will be trying to avoid the situation, but if it is needed, then definitely I'll say things, yeah, in a right way.
Mm-hmm. Do you think you can make everybody happy?
No, I don't think so, because each and every one individual, they have their own perspective, and we cannot please each and every person. Whatever
Mm.
we are doing in our life, the other person is, they are definitely going to let you down, point out at you,
Mm.
blame you
Mm.
maybe, because we are not behaving in their way. We are behaving in
Mm-hmm.
our own way. That is why, because they think that it's not a right way to their perception. It's
Mm.
not right way to behave. That is why. So yeah, we cannot please each and every individual. Yeah.
So I think we
We
should focus on our work and we should ignore that kind of person
Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly.
because our society is full of that kind of person because they are not making any work, but again and again they are pointing you.
Yeah, if the person is again triggering me, okay,
Mm.
targeting me, definitely
Mm.
I will be taking some steps, but in a right way,
Mm.
saying things in a
Mm-hmm.
proper way. I know that some there are some people, they are not going to understand the facts. They will definitely have their own
Mm-hmm.
perceptions, and they will always take me a wrong personality. That yes, you are wrong, you are wrong, I am right, I am right, like with this. So we
Mm-hmm.
can't help that moment, we can't help.
Mm.
Yeah, there was
Yes.
some network issue. Yeah, some network
Yes,
issue there was. Yeah.
I was saying if I am like I am facing this kind of problem. So my idea is first I will warn that person that I'm not liking this way that you are again and again triggering me, again and again you are targeting me. One time, two time, yes, I will tell that person. But if they are doing same thing again and again, the only way that I will stop talking to that person because these kind of person
Okay.
are very sometimes they are just watching your activities and after that they are spreading rumors also. So these persons are
They are
not good for our mental health. These
they
persons are
are
not good
basically
for our
sucking your
mental
blood.
health. Yes.
They are
So
sucking
I
your
can
blood
say
first of all,
yes.
and that
So
moment,
I think
as
these
a result,
persons
yeah.
are not good for our mental health. And nowadays, mostly persons are suffering from stress, mental health problems.
Yeah, right.
So we should
It's
ignore that
happening
kind of
all
person
around.
and we should give full focus on our work.
Yeah, absolutely. Because when we, get into such kind of situation, other person is not liking us, right? So what
Mm,
happens next? We all of a sudden feel like depleting. So many,
mm,
a kind of a feeling of we feel like we are totally drained that moment, because the other person is kind of sucking your blood all the time, blaming, pointing out,
mm,
sometimes passing derogatory comments, okay, taunting you. because they
Hmm.
they just don't like you. Inwardly, they just don't
Hmm.
like you. They are just trying to portray that, okay, we are good enough. We
Hmm.
like you, we like you, but this is not the fact. They are, having the kind of two faces.
Yeah. Diplomatic person. We can say diplomatic person.
Yeah, and they have, they have kind of set a kind of facade.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Hmm.
basically.
Yeah. Yes. And some if we are ignoring that kind of person, that time I feel okay. I'm getting some positive energy, and I can do my work at a best. I can try for my work. But if I'm engaging that person again and again, because that person always spread negativity in my life,
Yeah,
and I can't happy with that person. So this is a simple way. We should ignore that person because they are full of negative vibes. And
yeah,
nowadays, positive vibes is really very mandatory in the life.
yeah. Really, if you want to lead a peaceful life, definitely we need to try to stay away such people. They are all
And
the
in
time,
research it is found, if you are unhappy, you are feeling guilty, every time you are feeling okay, why persons are not happy with my behavior, my work. After some time, there are some chemicals in our body. They will, secrete in our body, and we will ill.
Yeah,
Like there are so many diseases also.
yeah, yeah. First of all, the depression.
Yes.
Sometimes it's not just about depression. Sometimes it causes to your whole body, like a kind of
Mm.
blood pressure,
Yes.
and sometimes it leads to dehydration, constipation, a lot of kind of health issues we can
Mm.
suffer that moment,
Yes.
because it's rather it's like happening in our mind here, but it is related to whole body. The
Mm.
thing, because it becomes sometime a
Yes.
blockage type thing. Yeah.
And if
So
we are
that is,
happy and we are doing self praising, that time a good hormones will secrete in our body, and
yeah,
it will motivate you that you should do good work. You should utilize your work in a good things, like is studies and doing some hobbies like dancing,
yeah,
singing, etc.
exactly,
But
exactly.
if you are again and again with that person, always you will get negative vibes, and
Yeah,
you will never there is a, you can say, willpower. There is no willpower of doing any work. Every time you feeling, I'm feeling tired, I'm feeling sleepy, I'm not feeling well. These kind
yeah,
of things you will face.
yeah. That is why we need to immerse ourselves with such people who appreciate you, who likes
Yes.
you, right? We need to
Yes.
do such
And
kind of
sometimes
things.
we also also praise ourselves. There is no need
Yeah,
every time every person will praise you.
yeah, yeah. And first of all, we need to love ourselves, so that when we are loving ourselves, we are taking care of ourselves, and we are
Hmm.
fit enough, so fit, we are sound totally, then we can take care of others, like our family members, right? So first of all,
Hmm.
we need to become that much satisfied all the time, delightful,
Hmm.
jubilant. That is how we can take care of our family members. Yeah,
So that is a, you can say, a good definition of self-love. First, we should love ourselves, our work, so many things, and ignore that kind of person who are always giving you negative vibes.
always letting you down and belittling you.
Hmm.
So this is not the right way to behave. Yeah,
I have seen in the Instagram reel, there are so many good YouTubers also, and they are making good reels also. But in the comment box, some persons are, spreading some negative comments.
yeah, happens.
Yes, it is very common nowadays. So I
Yeah,
can say these persons are who are giving some negative comments. They are sick person, mentally sick person.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah, you can say, yeah, absolutely,
but
yeah.
these YouTubers are avoiding these kind of situation. They are ignoring these kind of comments, and they are just making their reel. They are doing their just work.
Yeah, focus on your work. The
Yes,
thing is that,
there is
yeah,
no treatment of these kind of person.
yeah. Just give them
Yes.
blessings. If I tell you, as I consider, give them blessings. Okay, be happy. You all be
Hmm.
happy always. Yeah, this much we
Yeah.
can do. Yeah,
Always we feel that I am a good person. I am doing a good work. And right nowadays we are making a good video, also educational video. It's a good thing.
yeah, right, absolutely.
Anything else? If you want, you can ask to me. Otherwise, we can wind up this session.
No, no, it's okay. It's
Hmm?
too late, so we need to wind up the session right now.